guys, I'm back with another video and I'm here with my assistant.
Hi.
She's here again. So today we will be doing this Hatchimals collectibles thing.
It's like a spinning wheel.
Uh,
So maybe we spin the wheel and we open it.
so here's instructions.
Okay, good.
Spin the wheel. You were right. Reveal. Open. Unbox. Play.
Okay, so
Is this like a game?
it is.
Cat crazy.
Okay.
I guess that's what it's called.
So we spin the wheel and that's what we open.
We're gonna see. We might not do it right. Sometimes no one does it right. No one's perfect.
Some people would just get bored of it and just like tear it open.
We'll see. See what to do. Some simple video this week. Nothing painting.
Oh, I think you have to spin it down, like, and whatever shows up on the heart is probably what we do.
But the part's red all the time.
Oh.
So
Wait, on the back. Whichever one points up.
there's nothing that points.
The tail, and you can see which one, sort of. Or we could just open it anyway.
If you guys know what this is, I'm sorry if we're doing it wrong. Don't get mad at me in the comments and be like, you're doing it wrong.
Wait, I got an idea. So, see the front? So maybe whatever lands on that side, because it looks like an arrow, whatever lands on it is what we have to open. Maybe.
How do you spin it? Like that?
Yeah, that works. Or just go jack crazy. There you go. Red. Or orange.
I can't. I guess
Hey, purple.
I don't care.
There's tape on it, so.
I don't know right now.
It's new.
I've never seen something like this.
Never heard of it at all.
You have to open it all. Because look, how are you?
Tear it out. That's the best option.
Oh.
Want me to help?
It's okay.
That works.
That hurt my wrist though.
Ooh.
Yeah, I hurt my.
Oh, so that's how we open it. And it's like a spinner.
I get so. Whoops.
Click it.
Well, let's open.
I think we open it from the front. The hearts.
Yeah, I do. We're gonna ignore this.
Yeah. Totally didn't happen.
Yeah, we're gonna pretend we.
Didn't destroy it.
I got something with a piece of bread. A cat with bread.
Aww. Oh, it comes out of the bread. That is.
It has silver wings, so that probably means. I think that means it's common.
Yeah, it is. It's a meme.
Then what's the meme?
It's where the cat puts his head in a piece of bread.
Oh, I think I've seen that.
Yeah, I think a lot of people.
Put the kitty over here.
The bread.
Yeah.
And if we ever get any extras, we have no idea what to do.
Okay, got this one. We got this one next. We got an egg.
Oh, you rub your finger on the heart.
I've seen it. This egg's pretty.
It is. Let's destroy it at the end of the video.
Yeah. Well, if you touch it, you're gonna get glitter everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a warning. Oh.
so let's see what's here.
Let's see what the cat bread is first.
Yeah.
The bread cat. Because you can tell it's eating it.
It says a number 2.
And is it common? Check the wings on the back.
Does it say anything?
I'll check it. Want me to check?
Yes. Look at that way. We got this one next. So, what did we get next?
It does not say wings.
What is this again? And she's got a little hat.
Aww.
And she's got silver wings too.
Okay, so I'm guessing the silver wings are common, like you said.
And her little toupee kind of hat, I think.
I think she's French.
We're going to put her by her friend. We're going to keep the egg beside my assistant. Because it's not hatched yet. We got this one next. What's this? This one's soft.
Secret code right there. I read about this over here. It says, "Cat's crazy. The secret code scan to enter world." Oh.
This is the code.
Well, right now we really don't care.
Look.
Oh, I think that's like a rare one, but common. Like the fur is red. But,
Look, and look what else.
oh, she comes with a little friend.
This thing is so tiny.
It's like 2 in 1.
I feel the soft one.
Oh, that is fuzzy.
Feel the little kitten. Or I think it's a kitten.
It is. It's her child.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's her doll, since it has like black button eyes.
I think we got a little tiger.
Uh-oh, watch out. Cool. That might be a color changing one.
And another little friend that has just black eyes.
So I think those are the dolls.
But it has just black eyes.
Oh, that is terrifying.
I think the tiger's my favorite.
It is. It is absolutely adorable. But my personal favorite would have to be the cat bread.
We gotta keep the little dolls in
with their partners.
Okay. We already opened that one. Stop giving me ones I've opened. Thank you. Oh, another accessory.
Oh, so who did that one come out of? Ah.
What is it?
I think it's like... Oh, it's a food bowl.
Ah.
We can use that for all of them anyways.
Let's make sure we didn't miss anything.
Yeah. Check their cubbies.
Mm-mm. Just that one came with 3.
Weird. Oh.
So far.
Oh. That is odd.
This one came with it too.
It's a puzzle.
I guess we gotta get these pieces out too. We've got 4 of these, but different colors. This one's see-through.
Really?
It wants to come out.
It's a ghost. It's adorable.
I can't tell what animal.
I think it's either a cat or a fox.
I think it's all cats.
Yeah.
But what kind of cat? A house cat?
Possibly. Plus, we do have 1 sheep.
I can't tell what that is. This one's pretty.
It is. All of them have several wings, so we have all commons.
This one don't stand.
No.
I don't think, only the tiger stands.
Yeah, that is so weird.
This little guy came with something. Oh, look at her
A
doll.
ghost plushie. Aw.
This one's not creepy.
No.
Tigers is creepy. And look what else a little thing came.
Aww.
A skirt?
Yeah.
Tutu thing?
Yeah, I think we put it on the doll or her.
Aw. Ain't it? It's a little tutu.
Yes.
We'll keep all of them together.
Mm-hmm.
Next one we get is right here.
It's his charm.
Yeah. I think I've read about that up here.
Yep. It's 7 over here.
Okay. I don't think they could see it here.
Yeah. The 7. Pause if you have to.
Yeah. We don't have time to... Little cupcake charm and pink... Well, oop.
Tiny bracelet.
Last one right here.
Let's see what it is.
Oh, another little puzzle thing. We'll take the little cover off.
Stickers.
Tattoo things, I guess? I don't know.
Oh, those are stickers. I think that's the list. Nope. Wait, it has a different back.
Here, you look at that.
Okay. Yep. It's another useless list.
Yeah. I mean, it kind of came in handy.
And they actually do have numbers, so we skipped all that. So...
Well, we didn't do it right. But...
No, because we honestly have no idea how to do it. Oh, more charm bracelet thingy right here.
Yep, get that before it goes down there.
Yeah.
I'm taking this off so we make sure
We didn't miss them.
when we almost did. So this always comes in handy. So if you get one of these, always do...
Oh, there's the puzzle.
So always do this last to make sure you don't miss anything.
Warning headphone users.
Sorry for you guys. Alright, last thing.
The egg, because we have not seen this thing.
I'm ready to see what's inside.
Same.
Kind of hard with the sore wrist. You want to do it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, she's gonna...
I think we just open it. Yeah, we can just open it.
This one's kind of difficult than the others I've had.
There you go. We just break it open.
Don't...
Oh, I think it's another ghost. It is. Oh my god, look at it. It has a collar. Show 'em.
This thing's so tiny.
It's adorable.
I don't know what kind of... This is the cutest one.
It's a tiger as well.
I don't know. I don't know if this is a tiger. I think it's just a fluffy house cat.
It is.
A glittery. And the little collar. Well.
So that's all of them. They are all so cute. But my still personal favorite is the
Cat and...
the bread. The meme. I'm still going to try and put them
I don't know what these things are.
Maybe you got to collect them. And here's the bread cat.
Well, we're going to look at this chart off camera. And I hope you stay sweet and kind. Bye.